To print hello world in our output screen, we will create a file here, hello world.java, and we will create the main method here, public static void main string args, and to print something we will use print function. So we will write system dot out dot print, and within parenthesis we will use quotation mark, and whatever we want to print in our output screen we will write those here. Suppose here I want to print hello world, so I will write hello world within those quotation marks, hello world. Now we will save the program and run it, and we printed the hello world message successfully.